Sabemos que para la gente que está en condiciones de vulnerabilidad, en situaciones de riesgo, su entorno está cambiando. Todo les está cambiando la lluvia, les está cambiando la foresta, les está cambiando la situación política. En un ámbito en el que todo cambia, nosotros también tenemos que cambiar. Nosotros también tenemos que repensar cómo vamos a hacer para vincular los saberes que se generan a escala global con las necesidades que surgen a nivel local.
The program is very relevant since it combines three new topics. We've been working with disaster risk reduction and climate change adaptation in the past, but thinking at a landscape scale and including ecosystems is very relevant because that's the area local people live in and make use of for their livelihoods.
Donc la mise en commun de l'ensemble de nos compétences va nous permettre justement d'aider les communautés à développer leur résilience, va nous permettre aussi de renforcer la sensibilisation des différents secteurs, que ce soit le gouvernement, que ce soit les autorités locales, mais aussi le secteur privé et les organisations de la société civile. Enfin, nous espérons qu'ensemble, nous pouvons faire en sorte que l'on ait des politiques beaucoup plus sensibles à la résilience des communautés face à l'augmentation des risques de catastrophes, mais aussi au changement climatique.
Bueno, principalmente las fortalezas que este programa tiene es el trabajo en conjunto entre socios. Existe mucha experiencia entre los socios que están implementando esta estrategia a nivel nacional y esa suma de experiencias, de conocimientos, de herramientas, de estrategias están siendo enfocadas a un solo objetivo, que es lograr el fortalecimiento de las capacidades de las comunidades, especialmente en el ámbito de la resiliencia.
I think the biggest strength of this PFR is that people from different diversified field, diversified experience are coming together to achieve a common objective. So that is how we are going to enrich each other, learn each other, appreciate each other and challenge each other.
I personally feel that through this collaboration, at least in another 5 years, we would have seen a lot of changes happening at the ground level, wherein the communities are more resilient to hazards and they have they're practicing livelihoods that are actually benefiting out of this livelihood. That's one. The second aspect that I see is a lot of advocacy influences that I would see at the policy level, be it at the state or at the block or at the government level, the national level. You would have seen a lot of changes happening and a kind of a hand-holding that the government and the civil society organizations would be working towards bringing this synergy. This is one of the major results that I feel that would come out through this Partners for Resilience. Of course, apart from that, would be the technical know-how, the kind of sharing that we would have amongst the organizations and the kind of learnings that we would be applying within our own kind of work, which would bring in more benefits for the program.
Well, definitely in the next 4 or 5 years, hopefully we can come up with a workable framework or strategies that can be handed down to other development organizations who would want to work with us so that we can address the challenges we face. Now, there are so many interventions now geared towards one, but the idea is to be able to integrate all of them. And the bottom line is we would want to have more lives to be saved and then livelihood become a better part of the whole interventions.